2015 XC60. From sidewalks to pathways in the blink of an eye, the XC60 was named a Consumer's Digest Best Buy in the cars, pickups, minivans, SUVs, and hybrids category. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: lane departure warning, anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, traction control, navigation system, moonroof, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, air conditioning, front, HomeLink garage door opener, power steering. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.